Hi, and thanks for checking out this video. It's about making syrup out of sap. To do that, you'll need a few things first. You'll need a drill with a 5/16 inch bit because that's what fits what are called spiles. Spiles are what you tap into the tree with your hammer, and that's how the sap comes out of the tree. You'll need a lot of buckets, and you'll need some maple trees. By the way, the buckets have to be food grade. You'll need lots of containers to collect the sap. And if you want to do what's called drop lining, you'll need tubing to connect directly to the bucket. After you get that going, you'll need a nice flat space to make a furnace. You can see I made mine out of cinder blocks, and my daughter helped me. She also helped me to clean the buffet pans so that we were ready to boil once we collected our sap. This is my outdoor refrigerator. It keeps the sap from spoiling. My frozen sap does boil down, and it makes some nice syrup, as you'll see. Eventually, I make the fire and get all of the sap boiling down. It goes from many, many gallons to just one or even less than 1 gallon. Sometimes, depending on how much sugar is in the sap, you get a lot less syrup than you'd expect. I got about 1 gallon out of 40 gallons of sap. Now you can see it looks pretty gross. It's not the prettiest thing at first, but after a while it starts to turn brown and the little bubbles start to form, and pretty soon it thickens up and you have what we can use on anything from waffles to pancakes to whatever you use your syrup for. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.